So, hello everyone. Today we are going to cover at least 5 to 10 job opportunities, and it is going to be like mix of both internships and full-time opportunities. Without any delay, let's proceed into this video. So here you can see we will have like 4 internship opportunities from Microsoft itself. So for these roles, they might close it very soon because they have said like they might close this application within the 5 days of the job posted, but it is still open. So you should apply as soon as possible after watching this video. So first one is software engineering internship, and the job location is going to be multiple job locations. And here you can see the required qualification. That is currently pursuing a bachelor's, master's in computer science, engineering, or a related field. Then you must have like 1 semester left for you. After completion of this internship, you should actually get back to your college. Then 1 year of programming experience in object oriented language, and preferred qualification and ability to demonstrate the understanding of computer science fundamentals, including data structures and algorithms. So this is what they have said. So let's proceed into the second one without any delay. The second one is data science intern. So here they are hiring for the location Bangalore, and also you can see the job was posted on Jan 7, but still it is open. So you should apply as soon as possible while watching this video. Then you should be currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in data science, mathematics, statistics, economics, econometrics, operation research, computer science, or related field. Then it is the same. You must have like at least a quarter or a semester of your school remaining after completion of this internship. So let's proceed into this third one, that is research science intern. And then this the job location is going to be the same, that is Bangalore. And here you can see the qualification. You should have like bachelor's, that is completed or in progress. So the before two internship opportunities were for 2026, 2027, 2028 batches, but this is for someone who has completed and in progress. So 2024, 25 might also get included in this. So you should also have like master's degree or relevant or equivalent experience. Then the additional or preferred qualification is going to be master's or PhD in the relevant field itself. Then you should have the experience of publishing some academic paper as a lead author or a essential contributor. So you should also have experience in participating in top conferences in the relevant research domain. Such things are expected from you. So here is the last one. This is security assurance intern. The job location is going to be multiple locations. So if you scroll down, you can see here the required qualification is going to be currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, cybersecurity, or a related field. Then they have mentioned that you should have at least a quarter or a semester remaining after completion of this internship. Then 1 year of experience in programming language, and also some preferred qualification is like you should be currently pursuing a master's degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, cybersecurity, or a related field. And also you should have a certification that is such like a beginner level certification, such like security plus SC 900 or certified in cybersecurity CC is a big plus for you. So these are the 4 job updates right now. So we will see the fifth one. That is from Cisco. They are hiring for software engineer internal applications. Job location is going to be Bangalore. And if you actually scroll down here, you can actually find it like someone currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related technical field is eligible to apply here. Then you should have some foundational understanding of computer science fundamental, including data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming gained through some coursework. It can be like from your college itself. It might be some internships or something like that. And you should have experience in at least one programming language, such like Python, Java, JavaScript, Golang, C or C++ through academic or personal projects. And you should be familiar with some software development concept, including version control system like Git, and exposure to web technologies and database concepts. So also you should have some strong problem solving skills, that is, and the eagerness to learn new technologies. So here is some preferred qualification, that is something where you should have demonstrated your experience building some small scalable application and automation scripts to contributing to an open source projects, and exposure to Cloud projects like AWS, Azure, GCP, or container technologies such like Docker, Kubernetes, and basic understanding of CA or CD pipeline and agile development methodologies, and excellent written and verbal communication skill, collaborative mindset, strong analytical skills are going to be some soft skills. So this is the fifth one. So let's see the last one. So this is from Cognizant. They are hiring for analyst trainee role for 3-year degree program. 2026 graduates are going to be eligible here, and they should apply before 28th of February. And here you might see like they have three roles that is going to be hired here. That is, one is analyst trainee aligned to multi-cloud. Then we have analyst trainee aligned to digital workspace experience services. And the last one is, where's the last one? Sorry, oh, looks like they have changed it. Before they used to hire for three. So I just guessed it is going to be three, but they have mentioned it here. Integrated smart operation or IT practices. Why am I not able to find it? Okay. I'm not able to find it. They might have missed it in the job description. So they are hiring for those roles. And 2026 batch of BCA, BSc, computer science, information technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, electronics with minimum of 60% is eligible here. So you should apply before 28th of February. So you can actually find all the links in the description. Please try to apply as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.